Azure Standard, they have a huge stock and supply of non-GMO and organic grains and other stuff too. They have all kinds of good things. In fact, we've been shopping around to try to get some wheat berries, and everybody's been sold out. We had actually went to a local Amish store, and they actually had a waiting list of people trying to get some. But you know what? We checked with Azure Standard. We actually had a pickup coming, and they had some. So we're gonna get that and a bunch of other things. Go ahead and stick with the video. We're gonna show you what we're gonna pick out from the truck, and then we'll do a haul at the end of the video too. Cool.
Everything came in. Eric. Kelly. You. Oh boy. Again? Come on.
Kimberly. Getting a workout.
Ryan?
Azure Standard, absolutely free to sign up. In fact, if you look in the link below, you can click on it. And we absolutely love it. Getting all these grains and everything. And the prices can't be beat. Compared to even shopping at Amazon, you can't beat Azure Standard.
Azure haul. All right, guys, let's show you what we got. We got all kinds of goodies. Okay, we got 9 food grade buckets. Yes, you can buy these at the local store, but lately they have not been in. So we grabbed some of those, and we've got lids to match. Now we got these little ones, which is great. We were supposed to get the buckets, but they didn't come. But that's okay. We will get them next time. I got me some almond flour. I love almond flour. I make a lot of things with it. We've been doing keto for a while, and so I can make all kinds of goodies with that. We've got these. We're gonna try these this time, but they're beef and pepper jack. They're all beef.
100% grass-fed beef.
Yes, so we're gonna give these a try. I think they were on sale. I'm not sure, honestly. This, I'm so excited, some alfalfa seeds. I have not had them in a long time. I'm excited to grow some, and you will see that later on in videos.
Sprouts.
Sprouts, sprouts, sprouts. Okay, pizza seasoning. This, guys, I'm telling you, with our hack that we use with the tomato sauce, the tomato paste, and this makes an amazing, amazing pizza sauce. So we've gotten a few bags of these. And then we got natural alternatives to vaccinations. I'm excited to read this book because it's always a goodies to have on the shelf. And this was something new, organic hazelnut extract. I have never gotten extracts from them, so I'm excited to try that. Hazelnut looks really good. Then we got Fiesta Mexican seasoning. I think it's like taco seasoning, honestly. I'm assuming that's what that is.
They actually have taco seasoning. Well, this one's Fiesta.
I don't know, maybe we'll make a fajitas. I don't know. Mustard powder. Honestly, it's been out a lot, so I was really excited to see that they had this huge pack of that. And then we went for this giant thing of pepper jack cheese. We love pepper jack cheese, so this should go for a while.
5 pounds of pepper jack amazingness. All right, during the summer, I love to barbecue and smoke. Not smoke, but smoke meats and stuff. So I actually picked up 3 packs of barbecue seasoning to give these a try. That's actually where the mustard seed is going to come into also. Then over here we have 3 packages of vegetable broth, which is not for barbecuing. Mosquitoes.
Yes.
I hate them. How about you? So I got some buzz away. We bought some of this last year, and the kids, for some reason, they like the DEET, which is going to kill them. I like the buzz away. You actually have to apply it a little bit more generously to your arms and stuff to keep the mosquitoes off, but it works, and it's all natural and will not make you die also. It's family friendly as opposed to other stuff. We love shopping their sales and clearances on Azure, and these were actually on sale, probably because they had a overabundance of these at the end of the year, but they're fire starters. We make our own fire starters, and we make them very inexpensively, but they had these there cheaper because they're on sale than what we actually make them for, so I said, I'll give them a whirl. So unfortunately, you won't see this in action until next year because, well, it's getting warmer outside. And we still have some fire starters of our stash that we're using up. My best friend right here, pumpkin seeds.
They are amazing.
Like Ashley mentioned, we're on keto, and that is like our go-to snack. So we get the organic roasted and salted pumpkin seeds. which is happiness.
It is. They're amazing.
All right, then lastly, which I'm super duper excited for, we have our soft white wheat berries. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that we've checked a lot of places. Wheat berries are out, you know, because of the big wheat shortage and stuff. You've seen that in videos on our channel earlier. And we went to the Amish store.
2 of them.
Yeah. Well, one was Amish and one was Mennonite.
Oh, yeah.
And neither one of them had any wheat berries at all. And we actually have a bunch in the basement, different flavors, you know, like rye and hard wheat and stuff and red wheat. But we didn't have any soft white for making soft white bread. And at the Amish store, they actually will take your name and hopefully someday they'll get it back to you. But we checked at Azure and they had them.
Yep.
And so I mentioned before in the video that Azure Standard is absolutely free to sign up with. You can check out all the things they have. The shipping, basically, all you're going to pay for shipping is a combined shipping with everybody else for your drops. And so it's actually incredibly reasonable. But when we actually first found Azure, we were actually ordering our wheat berries off Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not kidding, at that time, it was a while ago, it was 2 or 3 times the price getting it from Azure. These were super inexpensive. And so that's what we needed this time with some soft wheat. So we'll actually be processing those and storing them away, and actually probably doing a little bit of baking this summer.
Yeah, I don't bake a whole lot in the summer just because it's too hot because we
Yeah.
don't have AC.
Yeah, so we don't want to get the flour, which, you know, you have to freeze. You know, we always worry about power outages and stuff. But with the wheat berries, you can actually store practically indefinitely if you do it the correct way.
That's why we got the buckets.
Yeah,
So,
lots of buckets. They didn't ship our small buckets.
I know, I'm
which
really
is
sad
really
about
weird.
that.
Yeah, the truck driver's like, I can't find them. So this kind of thing happens. Honestly, it's never happened to us before. But what will happen is next time is where we'll just ship it on the next truck coming through. All right, so again, in the description below, click on the link, sign up for free. Obviously, it costs absolutely nothing. And then you can shop all you want to and decide if you want to make an order at that time or not. But if you're talking about prepping, if you're talking about getting to like organic,
Big bulk stuff too.
yeah, non-GMO,
Yeah.
things that are actually healthy for you and things that can actually store away for prepping, that's what this channel is all about, then you can't, in my opinion, and I'm not kidding with this is not a sales thing at all. Azure does not pay me to say this. You can't get better than Azure Standard, because that's from us doing the research.
Yeah, we really like what they offer.
I think the only way to get around that is if you actually have a farmer friend who can actually get stuff for
Yeah.
you. But besides that, Azure is your way to go.
Yep.
All right, anything else you want to say?
No, I'm just excited to try out some of these things.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely. So obviously, when we get a chance, like for example, the pizza seasoning with the tomato paste, we'll show you how we do it. And we'll go through that this summer and make some things with all this stuff. All right, anything else?
No.
Thanks so much for watching. And let's continue on with our prep videos. I hope you enjoyed this. And leave a comment for us if you like this. Maybe some of the things you like to actually purchase too from Azure, or maybe you'd like to purchase. And let's hit our next video right here.